Welcome back everyone to another video of M's Trades, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can dominate New York session and make so much profits within it. Okay, I've made over $13,000 within the past 3-4 weeks within just New York session. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how I trade New York and how you can copy me to make thousands and thousands of dollars over the months. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you need to do is the liquidity, right? So you need to look for London liquidity. So for the liquidity, we're looking at London session sweeps, right? So if price actually sweeps the lows, we have to go for the highs. If highs get swept, we need to go for the lows, right? So if I play price forward now, you can see that the lows have completely been swept right here. So what we need to do now is mark this out as our liquidity sweep. Once we get a liquidity sweep, all we need to do now is we really know that price will go all the way up to the upside. As you can see right here, price already started going towards the upside with this candle right there, but we're not going to be actually counting these candles. We're going to be waiting for our actual specific kill zone that needs to come so we can actually sweep all the highs or the lows, right? So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to just make this an anchor text right here so you guys can actually see it all the time. As you can see, London session sweeps, this lows got swept, so now we're looking to take the trade towards the upside and completely smash it. Right, so all we're doing now is playing price forward until it gets to our specific trading time or a specific 1 hour kill zone, right? So once it gets to our 1 hour kill zone, as you can see right there, 10 a.m. until 11 a.m. on New York session, New York time. If you use this indicator, it actually gives you all the information that you need, like kill zones, it gives you liquidity levels, and it also marks out your FVG sometimes, okay, only sometimes. What you need to do now is make sure that you're paying very close attention to the markets when it's on the actual kill zone, because here we need to actually find our market structure shift, right? So that's all we need to find. We need to find our best market structure shift with the most engulfing candlesticks. So if I just add that on, so what we need to find is a market structure shift. What I'm gonna actually be doing is looking for price to actually sweep one of these areas right here. So either this high, or this high. Right, so all I'm doing now is playing price forward. As you can see, it's giving me very good confirmations. What I'm gonna be doing now, as soon as it swept this high right here, which is a very good high, I'm going to be actually marking this out as my market structure shift, right? And as you can see, it's still within the kill zone time. So we're going to be marking out our market structure shift and fair value gap within the kill zone time. But we're going to be entering after the kill zone time because you can still do that within New York session and still become profitable with it, right? So what I'm going to be doing now is marking out my FVG. And as you can see, market structure shift right there, very good candle, big candle. And I'm not going to be going for the extreme FVG in this trade right here. I'm going to be going for the more simple, more or less extreme FVG. So this is my fair value gap, right? So all we're looking for here, market structure shift, is our engulfing candlestick and also fractional highs, right? So fractional highs have been swept and we've got the market structure shift, right? All we need to do now is for the fair value gap is actually mark it out within the kill zone. So within kill zone, and it has to obviously overlap with market structure shift, right? As you can see right here, it's overlapped with the same candle of the market structure shift, which is very good for us. And now all we need to do is literally enter our trade, and you're going to see it enter our actual fair value gap and go all the way up to completely smash take profit, right? So all I'm going to be doing now is actually placing my buy limit right there, placing my stop loss just below this area of the actual liquidity, and place my take profit at least as a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. I'm going to place it at 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio for this trade, because I do feel like this trade will go all the way up to completely smash take profit, and it is going to go up with so much buying pressure, right? As you can see right here, there's a lot of buying pressure that went up into smashing the market structure shift right here in the kill zone time, which tells me and indicates me that price will go back down into the area of the FVG to go up and completely smash take profit, right? So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to just zoom in a little bit for you guys. You can see, and now I'm going to be playing price forward until it actually enters. You can see it's already hit take profit all the way up there, but it's actually gone down, entered right there, and now it's going towards the upside, right? So it's a very easy trade, and it's very predictable, right? This is the only way that you can actually pass funded accounts and become very profitable, is within consistency, right? So what I'm going to be doing now is actually waiting for price to go back up to the area, to go up, completely smash my take profit, right? So what I'm going to be doing is waiting for it, or waiting for the price to actually go towards the upside. You can see right there, it's going up. Oh wait, what's going on? So we're gonna be placing our buy limit right there, and our actual take profit will be a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, right? So I'm gonna make sure it's a 1-to-3, just like this, or whatever. Okay, so it's a 2.97, whatever. It's the same 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trade. So we at least only take 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trades, and this is gonna be a very, very good trade. So I can actually also put my stop loss a few pips below. Right there, as you can see, it's very, very good area, and it's a 1-to-3.7. Right, so it's a very, very good trade. Basically 1-to-4. All I'm going to be doing now is playing price forward, and you'll see exactly how it gone up, completely smashed take profit. It just entered our price right there, and I was going towards the upside and completely smashed my take profit, right? So this looks like a messy trade, but this is what happens in New York session, and this is how you need to start trading with the New York session, because this is the only way you're going to completely smash take profit and actually make profits, right? And make a lot of results. So listen, if you're a serious trader and these strategies never ever work for you, listen, this is the only way you can actually become profitable and make over $15,000, $10,000 every single month, right? If you join the Forex family official right now, you're going to be getting results just like Orit right here, or join the results just like Gussie right here, because we completely pass both of our accounts. You can stop it, the video, and watch them, and you can see we always give tips to traders, and you can see the markets right here. Ignored our servers, blew 3 accounts, and then came back and we got them 2 payouts within 1.5 months, right? Because this is a very, very good service and it works completely well. But look, this isn't for everyone, okay? This only works for serious traders who are actually looking to make a change and completely smash their profit, just like the trades that I actually send for free right here. So make sure you do click the first link in the description and join, because only 5 people are allowed in per day. Right, I'm going to be explaining on a fundamental level how the strategy actually works and how you can completely make loads and loads of profits just within using my strategy, right? So all you're going to be doing is waiting for price to actually exit our area right here. This will be our London session, and once it actually smashes our and ends our London session, what we're going to be doing is marking out highs and lows of London session, right? So this is the highs of London session, and this is the lows of London session. And what I'm going to be doing now is waiting for price to actually sweep the lows or sweep the highs. So let's say completely sweep the highs, for example, instead of lows. This will be our market structure shift, our liquidity area, liquidity sweep. And once we do get the liquidity sweep, all I'm going to be doing now is waiting for price to give me my market structure shift. But we're not taking any market structure shift. It has to actually enter our kill zone, right? So let me mark out my kill zone right here. Let's say our kill zone is 1 hour from here to here, and this would be our New York kill zone, right? So let me just mark this. So this would be New York Killzone, right? So as soon as we get the New York Killzone, all I'm going to be doing is waiting for price to do whatever it wants, and it will actually enter. And as soon as it enters, this is where we actually mark out of market structure shift / fair value gaps, right? So let's say price completely swept our area right there. Now all I've got to do is literally mark out my market structure shift, which would be from here to here. Market structure shift, just make it in caps. Market structure shift, and now once the market structure shift completely dialed in, we also need to obviously mark out our fair value gap, right? So the fair value gap will be anywhere from here, FVG, right there, FVG, and once the FVG is done, all we've got to do is actually short position this trade right here, placing our stop loss just a few pips above, and placing our take profit at Asian sessions lows. As you can see, this would be a very, very good 1-to-6 risk reward ratio trade that we are actually trading. Now all I've got to do is literally wait for price to come back into the area, go down, completely smash take profit. So it will do one of these. Maybe it will actually close below the FVG, go down, completely smash and I'll take profit. And this is exactly how your trade will be looking after you watch this video one time, maybe a few times also if you want to watch this video more than once. And this would be an amazing trade where you completely smash take profit and you also completely make results, getting you $1,000, $2,000, or however much your lot size is, and it depends on your account size, right? If you want to actually start winning within trading and start making real profits, make sure you do watch this carefully and make sure you do enter the way I enter, okay? But anyway guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, and I hope you you are actually satisfied with the amount of results that I'm showing you, and you're satisfied with the strategy that I showed you. But if you want a full playbook on how to actually trade the London session, I will link it in the second link in the description. It will gonna be a full playbook, full checklist. Just click the second link, join the Telegram chat, and you're gonna see exactly how I trade. Okay. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.